In the video for today, I'm going to expose a trick on how you can be able to create multiple Droid VPN accounts. This is for those who use free accounts and face the download limit issue. And by the end of this video you will be able to generate as many accounts as you wish. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel John's Empire. Today I feel fantastic, and I hope by the end of this video you will also be able to create multiple Droid VPN accounts, so just stick with me till the end of this video. And if you are here on my channel for the first time, I suggest you subscribe to my channel, smash that notification bell and always share my content. I always make simple and easy videos related to technology niche, so always watch my videos, and we always upload videos weekly. We are going to follow majorly 3 steps. One, creating an Outlook mail, and the second one is creating a Droid VPN account, then followed by confirming our account.
Freak, are you kidding me?
I'm now going to show you steps on how to create an Outlook email, and we are going to use this mail to sign up for the Droid VPN account instead of using Gmails, which require use of phone numbers to create and confirm. Here no phone number is required to create an email, and you can create as many emails as you wish and then use them to sign up for Droid VPN accounts.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Fada, fada.
Now have been successfully able to create our Outlook mail, and we are going to use this email to sign up for a Droid VPN account, so please kindly watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any step. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel because it inspires me to make more amazing videos for you.
Is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you?
We are going to sign up for a Droid VPN account, but I'm going to be using this amazing Droid VPN website application, and if you need it, I provided the link for the app in the description just below this video. Or you can as well go to your Google and type in droidvpn.com.
Never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Fada, fada.
Instead of using Google Mail, we are just going to use our Outlook mail that we created, and it is where we shall get our confirmation email from. We are now going to open this message that has been sent from Droid VPN services and then confirm our account. After creating that account, you can repeat the same procedures. And you start by creating another Outlook mail and then you use it to sign up for Droid VPN account. That's the process and trick which I wanted to share with you in today's video. And if you found value in this video, kindly like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because it inspires me to make more research and make for you amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching, and that's a lot for the love and support that you have shown me. May God bless you all.